In this video, I'll show you the settings where you can hide the Add to Cart button on collection pages in Shopify Dawn theme. At first, let's log into Shopify admin account, then select Online Store. Now locate Dawn theme, in my case it's version 15.2.0, and then select Customize. Once the editor loads, at the very top, click on Homepage, and then select Collections, then click on the default collection. On the left, look for Template, and then select Product Grid, and then on the right, under the Product Grid settings, scroll a bit down until you find this Quick Add feature. By default, it's set as Standard. Let's change to None, and then save the changes. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to the website and try refreshing the collection page. And as you can notice, the Add to Cart button was removed from the product carts, but if I open the actual product, the Add to Cart button will still be visible here. So as usual, I hope you found this video helpful. For more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.